Hello student, today we are going to learn what is zeroth law of thermodynamics. First of all, before starting zeroth law of thermodynamics, we will know what is thermal equilibrium. There are two systems. This is system 1 of temperature T1. This is system 2 of temperature T2. They are connected to each other with a diathermal wall. Diathermal wall allow transfer of heat but do not allow transfer of matter across it. Okay. Here, the energy of the system 1 go to system 2 or energy of system 2 go to system 1. It is depend upon the temperature difference. It will be go or not go. Okay. 1 to 2 or 2 to 1 heat transfer. After some times, transmission of heat will be stopped. Now, no exchange of heat. T1 equal to T2. This is called thermal equilibrium of system 1 and system 2. Okay. Now, zeroth law gives the conception of temperature and measurement of temperature. Zeroth law gives what is temperature. Temperature is degree of hotness or degree of coldness of body. How hot body compare with others and how cold a body compare with others. Okay. Here thermometer is used for measurement of temperature of the system. Okay. Now, what is zeroth law of thermodynamics? When two systems are each in thermal equilibrium with a third system separately, two systems are each in thermal equilibrium with a third system separately, then the two systems are also in thermal equilibrium with each other. Okay, this is system A of temperature TA. This is system B of temperature TB. This is system C of temperature TC. When a system A is equilibrium with a system C, system A equilibrium with system C, that means TA equal to TC. System A equilibrium with system C, and system B is in equilibrium with the system C. This is equilibrium with system C. That means TB equal to TC. Okay. Then the system A is also in thermal equilibrium with the system B. Then system A and system B are thermal equilibrium. Not necessary to transfer of heat between them. They are thermal equilibrium, TA equal to TB. Okay. Zeroth law introducing temperature and measurement part. Okay. Temperature is the physical quantity defined in zeroth law of thermodynamics. Physical quantity means it is a property of matter or system, can be expressed by measurement by a numeric value. Okay. Temperature, here temperature is the physical quantity which decides the direction of the heat flow. We decide the flow direction and is equal to, this is a vital point, this is a state, temperature is a vital point, a state of equilibrium of two systems. Okay, it is clear, my student? Thank you.